Namaskar, I am Heera Parihar and welcome back to the channel. Today we are discussing a very important government order that directly affects all our soldiers and their families. This order has come from the Ministry of Defense and it's about one rank, one pension or OROP as it's commonly known. So let's understand what this revision is all about and what it means for our soldiers. Let's get started. My friends, you already know that OROP stands for One Rank One Pension. It's a historic scheme launched by the Indian government for our armed forces personnel. The main objective of this scheme is simple. If two soldiers retired at the same rank and on the same date, they should receive the same pension regardless of when they joined the army. Before OROP, this wasn't the case. While the inflation rate at the time of retirement was constrained, so soldiers of the same rank would get different pensions based on when they retired. OROP solved this problem. Now all soldiers have equal rights and fair treatment. But how much truth is there in this? Please tell us in the comment section. Anyway, it's a landmark decision that ensures equality and dignity for our defense personnel. On 13th October 2025, the Ministry of Defense Department of Ex-Servicemen Welfare issued a new order. This order revises the OROP pension rates effective from 1st July 2024. This means that all soldiers who received their pension after 1st July 2024 will now get pensions according to the new revised rates. Along with this order, 121 pension tables were issued. These tables are specific to different military ranks across the Army, Navy and Air Force. But here's the important part. For the first time, when these pension tables were originally issued, there were some mistakes. The Defense Ministry has acknowledged these errors and has now corrected them. Let's understand what these mistakes were. Firstly, error number 1 in table number 11. This table had a significant error in column 4. The pension rates shown were incorrect. For example, soldiers who had served for 0.5 to 32 years were shown pension rates for 1.5 to 33 years of service instead. Because of this, soldiers with 32.5 years and 33 years of service had their pension rates showing as 0, which was obviously wrong. This was serious because it affected a large number of personnel. Imagine not knowing your pension at all. That's the kind of confusion this caused. Now error number 2 in table number 26 for the lieutenant colonel rank, the pension rates for officers with 33 years or more of service were simply not printed in the table. The table was incomplete. This meant that Lieutenant Colonel officers who had served for 33 years plus had no idea what their pension would be. Imagine retiring after serving your whole life and not knowing your pension amount. This was a critical omission. And now error number 3 and 4 in table number 48, 94 and 59. These tables had a different kind of error for lower ranking soldiers like Sipais, Naik, Havaldar, Naib Subedar and Subedar. Wars, other ranks and JSO's ranks and other equivalent ranks of Air Force and Navy. The pension rates shown X-dated. Their maximum service tenure in simple terms, if a Sipai's maximum service period is 17 years, the table showed pension rates for 20 years of service. This was a technical error that created confusion. How can you show pension rates for service years that are beyond the maximum allowed service period? It doesn't make sense. Friends, now comes the good news. The Ministry of Defense has corrected all these errors. The revised corrected tables have been reissued on 13th October 25. Now table 11 has correct pension rates for all service years and table 26 now includes pension rates for Lieutenant Colonel officers with 33 years plus of service. Also tables 48, 94 and 59 now only show pension rates that are within the actual maximum service period for each rank. All soldiers now have accurate and correct pension information. There's no confusion, no missing data, no incorrect figures. Now the question is, what does this correction mean for our soldiers? First, peace of mind. Soldiers who were confused by the incorrect pension rates now know exactly how much pension they will receive. No more uncertainty about their retirement benefits. Second, adjustment of previous payments. I mean, here's an important point. If a soldier was already given a pension based on the incorrect rates, adjustments will now be made. This means if they received a less pension than they should have, the difference amount will be credited to them. Most important thing. And if they received more than they should have, the government will recover the excess. This adjustment will be handled by the pension disbursing authorities PDAs, which manage military pensions. The government has made it clear that this will follow all existing rules and procedures. My friends, if you are a retired soldier or a family member, here's what you should do. Number one, contact your PDA. Reach out to your local pension authority to verify that your pension is calculated at the correct revised rate. Number two, check your pension slip. Your pension received after 1st July 2024 should reflect the new revised rates. Cross-check the amounts. Number three, be patient. The adjustment process might take some time, but your entitled amount will be credited. These things take time in government system, but they do get done. Number four, keep records. Maintain all pension related documents. They might be useful for any future queries or claims. My friends, this correction is very important. Here's why. Because our soldiers are the guardians of our nations, they risk their life at the borders every single day. When they retire, they deserve a dignified and secure life. And pension is one way we show our respect and gratitude to them. Also, OROP represents justice and equality. It ensures that all soldiers are treated fairly, regardless of when they retired. A soldier retiring in 2020 gets the same treatment as one retiring in 2024, both at the same rank. This correction shows government accountability. When mistakes are made, they are acknowledged and corrected. That's how a transparent system works. This revision is a step toward honoring our armed forces personnel and ensuring they get what they rightfully deserve. My friends, let's recap the key points. Number one, OROP pension rates have been revised effective 1st July 2024. Number two, previous pension tables had 5 errors in tables 11, 26, 48, 59 and 94. Number three, corrected tables have been issued on 13th October 25. Number four, all soldiers now have accurate pension information. Number five, previous payments will be adjusted by PDAs as per rules. Number six, all other terms and conditions remain unchanged. So friends, that was the important OROP pension revision of 2025. If you or any family member is connected with the Indian Armed Forces or military families, please share this information with them. It's important that they know about their updated pension details. If you have any questions about this, please drop them in the comment section below. I will be happy to answer them. And please direct message DM in Instagram ID @Deshbhakti or Heera Parihar. I already mentioned Instagram ID in YouTube profile. And if you want to stay updated on defense matters, pension policies and other important news related to our armed forces, government departments, please subscribe to this channel. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss any videos. Thank you for watching and Jai Hind, Bharat Mata ki Jai.